Here's today's top story. Intel doubles down on 14A as Cadence signs multi-year pact to co-optimize the Foundry's crown jewel process tech. Intel has partnered with Cadence to accelerate the development and optimization of its upcoming 14A process, which aims to be the crown jewel of the Foundry business. Intel's 14A process is going to be the Foundry's biggest node to date, with several customers anticipated to use it, and Cadence is helping Chipzilla accelerate it full-time. If there's one process technology that has been in discussion across all tech outlets, that's without a doubt Intel's 14A node. This one process is seen as the make-or-break product for Intel Foundry, and so far, only good things are coming out regarding this node. With deals with TeraFab, Apple, NVIDIA, and more, 14A is aiming to become a huge success story. As such, Intel is doubling down on 14A development and optimization with its partners, such as Cadence, who have announced a multi-year agreement with Intel that combines Cadence's AI-driven EDA and design IPs with Intel's process innovations and advanced design expertise. Advancing our relationship with Intel into a much deeper partnership is a major milestone for both companies, said Anirudh Devgan, President and Chief Executive Officer, Cadence. This collaboration will leverage the strengths of both companies to empower customers to unlock new levels of performance, power, and efficiency, advance the state-of-the-art, and accelerate the realization of next-generation products. Our expanded collaboration with Cadence reflects Intel Foundry's continued focus on delivering on its technology roadmap and ecosystem on behalf of our customers, said Naga Chandrasekaran, Executive Vice President and General Manager of Intel Foundry. By combining Intel's process and packaging with Cadence's AI-driven design tools, we are enabling deeper co-optimization, strengthening our ability to deliver on customers' needs, and showcasing the ability of both companies to drive innovation at scale. Through this new collaboration, Cadence will offer its advanced design technology co-optimization (DTCO) tools to Intel Foundry, specifically targeting its upcoming technologies such as 14A. Through these optimizations, Intel expects to unlock new levels of performance, power, and efficiency. 14A is going to be used not only by external customers, but Intel has boosted the confidence around 14A by leveraging it for its own internal products. 14A is now expected to power several next-generation chips. Although 14A is seeing major traction, Intel has yet to name any major customers. The TeraFab and Apple deals were announced by the company and tech outlets such as Reuters/Bloomberg. This is part of Intel's CEO Lip-Bu's strategy, where he doesn't want to spoil the fun by announcing 14A customers himself. He'd rather have the customers disclose the partnerships. Follow WuckTech on Google to get more of our news coverage in your feeds. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.